Welcome back to our channel, friends. Today we will be taking a look at how to gain passive income through app building. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more passive income opportunities. Technology is the most important tool to staying connected and generating passive income. You may have researched ways to make a passive income through various online methods, but have you considered creating an app? Whether you enjoy traveling or working from home, creating an app gives you the freedom to work from anywhere you choose. Yes, this is harder than your average side hustle or career, but this challenge comes with the potential to earn significant income for the rest of your life. You have to know your way around technology on computers and phones. But the good news is, you do not need to know how to code. When you start making an income, you can also outsource tasks that you don't know how to do. Developing an app does require some initial startup costs, such as hiring a designer, a developer, and running ads. It's important to know that your idea is useful and have a monetization strategy if you want to do well. App options are endless. You can create a platform for e-commerce, travel, transportation, gaming, and more. There is an idea for everyone. The first step of app development is making sure the app meets a need that hasn't been met or outperforms similar apps. Find a low-competition niche. You can use the platform live chat to start brainstorming and even create a sample app. After conducting some research, you will want to create a user-friendly design. Apps should be simple to use on smartphones, computers, and tablets. Next, develop a minimum viable product, MVP, a basic form of your app that includes only the most necessary features. This allows you to test your app before putting a significant amount of time and money into it. At first, it's best for your app to only serve the purpose that you created it for. Simplified apps cause less money to be poured into development too. After making sure that your app's basic functions work, you can consider adding to it. Pay attention to similar apps' reviews. If you can fix a problem that the apps have not fixed it their app, you'll do better than those apps. What features make your app stand out from the others? The more features that you offer, the more technical knowledge you'll need to have. So you made an app. Now what? Your work is not over yet. You need to have a marketing plan for your app to succeed. Social media is a key marketing strategy, so deciding what platforms you'll use to spread the word is important before the app is finalized. The iPhone App Store generally has more earning potential for new apps, because the Google Play Store has many more other options and a more selective user base. Your app will have to maintain good ratings in the App Store to generate the passive income you're looking for. Building an app can be a profitable way to generate passive income, but it requires hard work, dedication. With the right idea, strategy, and effort, creating an app can be a lucrative long-term investment. Thank you for joining us today on our continuing journey to help you create passive income. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.